Women empowerment means empowering women with all their rights like a man in family, society, school, college, and country. From ancient times, women have suffered a lot in a society. They were not given the equal rights to education and to be self reliant, only restricted to household works. They are kept away from education and development. Women constitute half of the population. However, her contribution to economy of our country is very low. This depicts that there are no equal opportunities available for women in the society, and the responsibility which were given to them to not have any contribution to the GDP of the country. To develop our country is a superpower. The development of women is equally important, and it should be a priority to give her a chance to develop herself. To achieve it, we should focus mainly to the education of girls. Women empowerment is like a breath of fresh air. It made aware of their rights and how they must make their own place in society. Government, people, and organizations all must work together to provide equal opportunities to the women in all fields of life. Thanks for watching and must subscribe our channel.